Drill bits are cutting tools used in a drill to remove material to create holes, almost always of circular cross-section. Drill bits come in many sizes and shapes and can create different kind of holes in many different materials. In order to create holes, drill bits are usually attached to a drill, which powers them to cut through the workpiece, typically by rotation. The drill will grasp the upper end of a bit called the shank and the chuck. As you will see next below, there are many types of drill bits such as high-speed steel, black oxide, cobalt steel, titanium nitride, diamond PDC, Thank you for watching. Please support us with like, share and subscribe.